Hey everyone, welcome back to DRM1712. Today, we're taking a sky-high adventure to one of Canada's most iconic landmarks, the Skylon Tower. You know, that tall structure in Niagara Falls that looks like a giant toothpick holding up a spaceship. Let's dive in and find out what makes this tower so special. One of the coolest things about Skylon Tower is the ride to the top. The elevators are called yellow bugs, which is ironic because the last thing you want in an elevator is bugs, am I right? These glass-enclosed elevators whisk you up 775 feet in just 52 seconds. And here's a fun fact. If you're afraid of heights, this is a great place to conquer the fear ... or, have a mild panic attack. The Skylon Tower first opened its doors, or should I say, elevators in 1965. It took 17 months to build and cost $7 million. That might sound like a lot, but that's only about the price of a small condo in Toronto today. And get this, the tower was officially opened by two countries. Yep, representatives from both Canada and the United States were there. Because, nothing says international friendship like a tall building in the middle of a waterfall mist. Once you reach the top, you'll find the observation deck, where you can see the falls, the city, and on a clear day, you might even spot your neighbor's backyard barbecue. The view is absolutely breathtaking, but hold on to your hats, folks, because that wind up there can turn a good hair day into a scene from a shampoo commercial gone wrong. Now, if you're feeling fancy, you can dine at the Revolving dining room. This restaurant rotates 360 degrees every hour, which is just slow enough to enjoy your meal and fast enough to panic when you realize your table is moving. Imagine eating a 3-course meal while the entire world spins around you. It's like being in a James Bond movie, except with more pasta and less espionage. Let's hit you with some funny Skylon Tower facts. Did you know that the Skylon has been featured in movies? That's right, it had its Hollywood debut in the 1980s film Superman 2. Apparently, even Superman needs a vacation spot. And here's a quirky tidbit. The tower's construction used 2,000 tons of steel. That's about the same weight as 333 adult elephants or one really big plate of poutine. But wait, there's more. The Skylon Tower isn't just for looking at views and fancy dining. It also has an arcade and a 3D for D theater. So after you've had your fill of the skyline, you can shoot some aliens or watch a movie that pops right out at you. Because who wouldn't want to be startled by a 3D waterfall after seeing the real thing? If you think the Skylon Tower is impressive during the day, just wait until you see it at night. The tower lights up with an array of colorful LED lights that make it look like a giant glow stick. It's like the Skylon is saying, hey, Niagara Falls, I can be flashy too. Whether you're there for a romantic evening or just to see the dazzling display, the nighttime view is a must-see. Plus, it's the perfect excuse to take 1 million photos for your Instagram feed. #TowerGoals. No trip to a tourist attraction is complete without a visit to the gift shop. The Skylon Tower has a treasure trove of souvenirs, from postcards and keychains to t-shirts and stuffed animals. They've got everything you need to prove to your friends that you really did go all the way up there. And if you're looking for a quirky souvenir, How about a snow globe with a tiny Skylon Tower inside? Nothing says I survived the heights like a miniature version of the tower in a blizzard. So there you have it, folks. The Skylon Tower is more than just a tall building. It's an experience packed with history, fun, and maybe a little vertigo. If you find yourself near Niagara Falls, be sure to check it out. Thanks for joining us on this sky-high adventure. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more fun adventures from Bezirgen off. Until next time, keep looking up ... and maybe pack a windproof hat.